And we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 68. Let me show you how you can create a heart using the heart tool. You can find it here in this toolbox. If you can't see it with the left click, right click on it to get the list. And it should be somewhere relatively close to the bottom. You can freeform drag it, and you can also hold shift while you do. This locks the aspect ratio. It's not going to be 1 by 1. It's due to the nature of a heart. So the width will be a little bit bigger than the height. That's just the way that it is with this tool. And when you have it selected, there's only one thing to adjust. Just make sure that it is selected. If it isn't, left click on it. And then you can adjust the spread, which is simply right here, the anchor point for the two curves in center. At 100%, it's going to split your object. At 0, it's going to be flattened out. 20% is the default, and that's usually what you need for a heart. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.